Hi, Brian and Hazel here. Normally, I will take on a theme of adding a little in terms of current events, and then B, a lot of optimism. I believe in optimism, but let's talk technical for a second here. I want you to focus on this. And these are for my clients that have been my clients. And this is also for my team members that need to transfer this understanding to their potential clients and their current clients. Listen, AI, everyone's hearing AI and it's this, that, and the other. But let me give you the real deal, okay, as it pertains to us and what we're doing on the ground, okay? Whether you're HVAC, whether you're plumbing, whether you're tech, listen, it doesn't matter. If you're on the ground, you are managing a business bank account through a CFO, through yourself, through your wife. You're managing a business bank account. Let's talk about that. If it's above $15,000 a month, okay? Your bank statements are now your data, your absolute data for underwriting. And I want you to think about that. You used to be able to just have those. They maybe were in an envelope that you put aside in your office or something like that, but they are now becoming your greatest asset, your greatest tool of leverage. And I want you to think about that. We've gone through an age where it was, let's evaluate your business in terms of the real estate and everything else that's tangible and involved with your business. We'll consider your cash flow, to now, as of yesterday, raising, and I don't know if you caught yesterday's broadcast, and raising over $500 million for alternative business capital for this particular space, and not being interested in your real estate, not being interested in your tax returns, but being interested in your business bank accounts and the data within. We're talking about average daily balance. We're talking about consistency of revenue, absent of NSFs, how well you manage those funds, cash flow patterns over a 12-month period, but only measured for 3 months that we use to advance or to calculate how much funding we can get for you. Now, here's the thing. You're like, well, what is the value proposition here? The value proposition is, let's just say you were going to apply to one of our wholesale lenders. Well, that's you. And they're going to give you this rate or this term. But guess what? When we go, we get a much better rate and a much better term, and we pass those benefits on to you. So in other words, rather than applying here and applying there and everywhere else, smart entrepreneurs are using our platform, our Bank Breezy platform, and getting the most funding and at the best rates and terms that actually meet their particular cash flow, not expected cash flow, but what they're doing, their performance. We don't want to hurt you. We want to help you. Thank you.